delicious. This is so good, so delicious, and it is easy to make. It doesn't take too long. It's those things that you can just think, hey, I want to make something, and there, boom, you have it. It's so good. As you can see there, I put olive oil in the pan, and that is chili powder. About a tablespoon of chili powder. You can put as much as you want, but I used about a tablespoon of chili powder. And let it simmer a little bit in the pan. Well, I'll cook a little bit. It was smelling so good. I mean, chili powder and olive oil, it smells so good. So what I'm going to put in here, I have peppers, onions, different colors of peppers and onions. I used a frozen bag. You can buy that and thaw it first. As you see, I had it in the strainer. So when it's thawing, all the water comes out. And then use a paper towel to dry it out so you don't have a soggy mess. And it's best to use the fresh, of course. If you have fresh peppers, cut your onions. That's the best to use if you have the time. I do like the frozen thing. Sometimes when I don't have time, it makes it so fast and easy. And it still tastes good. So as you can see there, I'm just caramelize it. It's going to cook a little bit. Put black pepper and I added salt and cook it a little bit. And also, as this was cooking, I had in the toaster oven, I had mushrooms cooking. This is chicken breast from Costco. If you go to Costco, they have the chicken breasts at the rotisserie. Like, I don't know if it's leftovers or whatever. They cook it to sell it in those bags. I have no idea. If you don't have it and you have a rotisserie chicken, just shred the chicken. You can use any part of the chicken, just shred the meat out. But this was chicken breast. At Costco, they sell like, I think it's like 3 pounds. It's a lot of it. And I cut it in half and froze the other part of it and just cook half like that. It's kind of like you're making a stir fry, not quite a stir fry, but it gives you that taste of a stir fry. It is so good. So I just spread it with my hands because it's not easy to spread with a spoon. Shred it up and put it in there and just keep cooking it. Put your heat on medium high. And also that depends with your stove. If your stove heats up too much, you might need to put it a little bit lower. And I'm just having it cooking right now. And back to the mushrooms I was mentioning. I got distracted here. I had mushrooms, I cut them up and I put them in the toaster oven. I have a Ninja toaster oven air fryer. So I put it on air fryer for 6 minutes. I put them in the tray and put it in the toaster oven, cook it for 6 minutes. It's almost like you're just dehydrating them. You're cooking them, but they're not cooked all the way. I don't like too much of the water. You know, if you've cooked mushrooms before, you know they have a lot of water in them, which is good. But for what I'm cooking, I don't want too much water. So you see me later on putting the mushrooms when they were done cooked in the air fryer toaster oven. So I'll just put them in there and cook it and let it simmer for a while so all the flavors just marry into each other. And also, I'm going to put red wine vinegar. If you don't have red wine vinegar, that's fine. You don't have to put that at all. You can eat it like that. You can put whatever you want, really. You know, I'm adding olive oil there because I had a lot of chicken that I used there. But it was so good. It was so good. I served it over the rice, and you can use it in your pastas. You know, make your macaroni and put that on the side. Roast some potatoes and have it on the side. I mean, with this, you put it in your refrigerator and you can make a sandwich. It'll be so tasty. You put your cheese on it. It's so good. I mean, it's so good. And when you put it on pasta and you put your Parmesan cheese on top, it's so delicious. Let me know if you are enjoying this. Please comment below. Let me know if you want more videos. You know, subscribe so you can be notified. And don't forget to share. If you have somebody that you want to, you know, to learn how to cook this, share with other people, you know. And don't forget to like. And thank you so much. Thank you for taking your time to watch this. Thank you. I hope you'll be blessed with it, and I hope it helps you, and just enjoy making these cooking videos, and gardening. Check out some of my videos. I like to garden. I've got some. I'm already picking some vegetables in my garden. You can see some of the videos if you look on my channel. Um, have a lot of stuff that's coming up in the garden. About cooking rice, if you want to know how to cook rice, I've got a video that I put of how to cook rice, and I cook different types of rice. Sometimes I use curry powder, sometimes I use chili powder. I just use different things. I like to play with spices and stuff. As you're seeing me there, that's the mushrooms. That's coming right from the toaster oven, which is an air fryer, Ninja air fryer. I really like it. So I'm just gonna mix those mushrooms in. As you can see, I didn't have the volume on some of the parts when I was cooking on, because I have my son, he's just enjoys playing. He was making noise, and I didn't think you guys would appreciate that noise, though it's funny, but sometimes I cut it out. And he was having fun, and I want him to have fun. I'm enjoying making the video, but he's also enjoying playing. So sometimes I'll just make the volume, take the volume off, so you guys won't be bothered by that. But that's why you see in some areas there's no, the cooking noise, you don't hear it. It's because I put the noise, the volume off, so it won't be too much, for you guys. So just keep stirring it up. Because of the chili powder, if you don't stir it up, it might want to have to burn. It sticks to the pan a little bit. I'm using I use a lot of chili powder, so that's something. Just keep stirring it so it doesn't stick to the pan. But it's good. Then later on, you see me, I have fresh parsley.
Cut
I
parsley.
grow some parsley in my garden, and I pick that up, and I'm gonna cut it up and put it in. You can put as much parsley as you want, and sometimes I'll add basil to it too, but this time I just used the parsley. And parsley, you can put, sometimes I even put more than this. I love parsley. It's them things that you can't go wrong with it. You can use cilantro. If you have cilantro, it's good too. I just happen to have the fresh parsley in my garden. I'm growing now some basil, and I have frozen basil, but for this dish, this day, I just wanted to use parsley, and it just adds that kick. It's just good. The noise you just heard there, it's because I was fast forwarding the video. It makes that noise. I'm sorry for that. Hope you're enjoying it. Don't forget to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you have a blessed day. Enjoy the rest of the video and let me know if you like it. I know my voice sounds a little bit weird today. I have a cold. I know. I thought we were done with the cold when winter was done. Now we're in the spring. In May, we're dealing with the cold. Oh my. I just can't wait. To just get over this. But sometimes when you have little kids, they go to school, they catch every gem they can, they come home, they pass it to everybody, we like to share, You just have to look at it that way, otherwise, it's really, it'll get you tired because, it is what it is. But yeah, forgive my voice. I have a little bit of a cold going on. And I forgot to welcome you people. Welcome, everybody. Welcome back to those that have subscribed or watched the videos before. Welcome back. Thank you so much. We are at 200 subscribers. I'm so excited. Thank you all so much for subscribing. 200 subscribers. Wow, that is so nice. Thank you, guys. And if you haven't subscribed, subscribe. If not, that's fine too. I just want you to be blessed watching the videos. I enjoy making them. So, thank you so much, guys. I just wanted you to know that I appreciate you watching. And hope you try this recipe if you like it, you know. And I mean, with chicken, you cook chicken is some of them things you can cook different ways, you know. I have a video that I made that I say my mama's chicken. My mom used to cook the chicken. I mean, just few ingredients, you know, tomatoes, onions, you know, salt, without a lot of spices, and it was so good. You know, especially free range chicken. The taste of free range chicken is just different. You know, it doesn't have much fat. You have to cook it a little bit more, but it's so tasty, you know. So if you want to check out that, it was the recipe that I learned from my mom cooking the food back in Africa. So delicious, you know. It's down there. Look on my channel. You know, chicken, you can cook it any kind of way, you know. So this is rice and the chicken, kind of like stir fry, not exact stir fry. I would call it stir fry my way. Enjoy, enjoy. Thank you so much. Add your hot sauce, soy sauce, whatever sauce you like. It's delicious.